Rolex's dominance is crumbling as smart buyers discover that waiting years on wait lists and paying gray market premiums for basic specifications makes absolutely no sense anymore. The watch world is experiencing a seismic shift as 10 brands deliver superior technology, better availability, and honest pricing that makes Rolex's artificial scarcity look like the exploitation it always was. From Japanese innovation to Swiss heritage brands, from accessible luxury to independent haute horology, these manufacturers prove that prestigious watchmaking doesn't require crown logo worship or authorized dealer games. Social media explodes daily with collectors ditching Rolex waitlists for watches they can actually buy immediately, while getting better value and specifications. Today we're revealing 10 brands that are replacing Rolex faster than anyone expected. Number 10. Seiko Prospex. Seiko Prospex is replacing Rolex Submariner in diving communities worldwide by delivering ISO-certified dive watches at prices reflecting actual value. The SPB 143 and modern dive watches feature 200-meter water resistance with specifications matching Submariner while costing under $1,200 versus Rolex's $9,000+. Professional divers and instructors are publicly choosing Seiko over Rolex, validating that specifications matter more than crown logos during actual diving. The 6R35 automatic movement provides reliable timekeeping, while the drilled lugs and exhibition casebacks offer features Rolex denies customers. Reddit diving communities recommend Seiko Prospex, unanimously creating organic word-of-mouth that marketing budgets cannot manufacture artificially through advertising. The immediate availability without waitlists means divers get watches for actual use rather than waiting years for Rolex allocation games. Number 9. Tudor Black Bay. Tudor Black Bay is replacing Rolex Submariner among enthusiasts who recognize that manufacture movements and better proportions matter more than crown logos. The Black Bay 58 delivers 39mm vintage proportions, with manufacturer caliber MT5402 providing 70-hour power reserve and CO-SC certification. The $3,800 pricing represents 40% of Submariner cost, while delivering comparable specifications and superior wearability through slimmer case construction. YouTube watch channels compare Black Bay directly against Submariner, with many reviewers choosing Tudor for better value and immediate availability. The vintage aesthetics with gilt dials appeal to collectors seeking character that modern Submariner's conservative design cannot provide. Instagram watch accounts showcase Black Bay ownership, creating communities that celebrate accessible luxury rather than artificial Rolex scarcity games. Number 8. Omega Seamaster. Omega Seamaster is replacing Rolex Submariner by delivering superior technology with master chronometer certification that Rolex cannot match. The coaxial master chronometer movement achieves 15,000 Gauss magnetic resistance, while Rolex movements fail near strong magnetic fields. The $6,100 pricing provides better specifications than $9,000 Submariner while offering immediate availability without waitlists or dealer games. The exhibition caseback reveals the beautifully decorated coaxial movement, creating appreciation that Submariner's solid caseback denies. YouTube comparisons between Seamaster and Submariner increasingly favor Omega for superior technology and honest business practices respecting customers. Reddit watch communities recommend Seamaster over Submariner, citing better specifications, availability, and value reflecting actual watchmaking rather than brand prestige. Number 7. Grand Seiko. Grand Seiko is replacing entire Rolex lineup by delivering superior finishing with revolutionary spring drive technology at comparable pricing. The Snowflake SBGA 211 achieves 1 second per day accuracy with perfectly gliding seconds hand that mechanical Rolex movements cannot approach. The Zaratsu polishing creates distortion-free mirror surfaces that honestly rival or exceed Rolex finishing throughout case construction and bracelet links. The $5,800 pricing delivers revolutionary technology with superior finishing at 60% of day-date cost while offering immediate availability. YouTube watch channels produce detailed comparisons showing Grand Seiko finishing quality matching or exceeding Rolex execution at lower prices. Instagram macro photography reveals Grand Seiko quality, shocking viewers who assumed Swiss finishing automatically superior to Japanese craftsmanship wrongly. Number 6. Longines Spirit. Longines Spirit is replacing Rolex Explorer by delivering authentic aviation heritage with CO-SC certification at 1/3 the pricing. The Spirit Zulu Time delivers true GMT functionality with jumping hour hand at $3,200 versus GMT Master 2's $10,000+ pricing. The silicone hairspring provides anti-magnetic properties while the 72-hour power reserve exceeds Rolex specifications through modern movement technology. YouTube aviation channels showcase Spirit's genuine aviation heritage backed by actual historical legitimacy rather than marketing fiction Rolex promotes. The immediate availability and honest pricing respect customers, rather than exploiting them through artificial scarcity and authorized dealer allocation games. Reddit watch communities recommend Longines Spirit unanimously for travelers seeking GMT functionality without paying Rolex premiums or navigating waitlists. Number 5. Cartier Santos. Cartier Santos is replacing Rolex Datejust in luxury markets by delivering iconic design with genuine prestige that Rolex's conservative aesthetics cannot match. The Santos represents 115 years of aviation heritage with distinctive design that photographs beautifully, creating instant luxury recognition. The $7,100 pricing provides comparable luxury positioning to Datejust, while offering distinctive design and immediate availability without Rolex games. The integrated bracelet with quick-release system provides convenience that Rolex's traditional bracelet construction cannot replicate for user experience. Instagram luxury watch accounts showcase Santos ownership, creating aspirational content that Datejust's conservative design struggles matching for visual impact. YouTube luxury watch channels position Santos as more interesting alternative to Datejust for buyers seeking distinctive luxury rather than conformist choices. Number 4. Zenith Defy. Zenith Defy is replacing Rolex Datejust among buyers seeking innovative design with high-frequency El Primero movement technology. The Defy Skyline delivers distinctive octagonal design with El Primero 3620 movement featuring star-shaped oscillating weight visible through exhibition caseback. The $8,600 pricing provides comparable luxury positioning while offering innovative design that Rolex's conservative Datejust cannot replicate. The high-frequency movement provides superior accuracy potential that standard-frequency Rolex movements cannot match for technical excellence. YouTube watch channels showcase Zenith's willingness to innovate design and showcase craftsmanship rather than hiding movements, maintaining mystique. Instagram watch photography highlights Defy's distinctive design, creating engagement that conservative Datejust struggles generating through visual differentiation alone. Number 3. Chopard Alpine Eagle. Chopard Alpine Eagle is replacing Rolex sports watches by delivering integrated bracelet luxury with ethical gold and in-house movements. The Alpine Eagle features lucent steel, providing enhanced scratch resistance, while the integrated bracelet creates contemporary luxury aesthetics. The $11,900 pricing positions against Datejust and sport models while offering distinctive design and ethical luxury positioning. The in-house movement with Chopard Fleurier certification provides quality verification, while the exhibition caseback showcases craftsmanship. YouTube luxury watch channels position Alpine Eagle as more interesting alternative to Rolex sports watches for environmentally conscious buyers. Instagram luxury communities celebrate Alpine Eagle's ethical positioning and distinctive design, creating communities that value more than just brand logos. Number 2. Vacheron Constantin Overseas. Vacheron Constantin Overseas is replacing Rolex in true luxury markets by delivering genuine haute horology with prestigious heritage exceeding Rolex. The Overseas delivers one of watchmaking's oldest manufacturers with finishing and complications that Rolex cannot match at any price. The $23,000-plus pricing positions above Rolex sports watches while delivering superior finishing, multiple bracelet options, and exhibition casebacks. The in-house movements with Geneva Seal certification provide quality verification that Rolex's proprietary standards cannot match for independence. YouTube hot horology channels position Overseas as superior choice for buyers seeking genuine luxury rather than mass-produced Rolex. Instagram watch communities celebrate Overseas ownership, representing true watch enthusiasm rather than status-seeking Rolex conformity that dominates mainstream. Number 1. Patek Philippe Nautilus. Patek Philippe Nautilus absolutely dominates luxury sports watches by delivering genuine haute horology that makes Rolex look mass-produced. The Nautilus represents watchmaking's pinnacle with hand finishing and complications that Rolex fundamentally cannot replicate through industrial production. The $34,090 pricing for steel Nautilus positions above Rolex while delivering exhibition casebacks, revealing decorated movements. The waiting lists and secondary market premiums exceeding Rolex demonstrate that true luxury maintains value through quality rather than artificial scarcity. YouTube hot horology channels position Nautilus as ultimate luxury sports watch that Rolex aspires to but cannot achieve. The Nautilus proves that genuine hot horology, superior finishing, and prestigious heritage create value that Rolex's marketing cannot replicate. These 10 brands prove definitively that Rolex's dominance is ending as smart buyers discover better value, superior technology, and genuine luxury elsewhere.